Hi, I am Geo. I am one of the information girls, and one of our subscribers asked this question. Can I recover deleted videos that I deleted from YouTube? So when I went to the help section, this is what I found. I put in the search, can I restore a deleted video? And this is what I come up with. Facts. Is it possible to restore a deleted video or YouTube channel? This is the reply that I got. Unfortunately, after you delete a video or a channel, you cannot recover from it. After you delete a video, the video will no longer be available on YouTube. The video URL and title will also not be visible or searchable. If you want to watch it again, you'll have to have a backup saved. After you delete your channel, you'll permanently delete your content, including videos, comments, messages, playlists, and history. This can only be done on a desktop computer, not a mobile device. There are multiple steps required to confirm you want to permanently delete your channel since there's no going back. So you have to make sure that you want to delete your videos and you want to delete your channels because after you do, you cannot get them back. This is Geo. I am one of the information girls. Plus, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell if you have not. Make it a great day.